Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. This video will provide the latest update on the Rafale fighter deal of Greece and the latest decision taken with regards to equipping these fighters with BrahMos supersonic cruise missile of India. Let me begin by giving a quick recap of the deal, and then we will discuss about the plan of equipping them with India's BrahMos missile. On January 25, 2021, the official intergovernmental agreement was signed by defense ministers of Greece with Dassault Aviation of France to purchase 18 Rafale fighter jets to boost their Hellenic Air Force. Out of 18 Rafale, 6 of them would be newly built and 12 of them would be used F-3R aircraft in previous service with French Air and Space Force. This deal, which costs around 2.4 billion euro, includes the relevant armament and ground support. We all know that the plan to acquire these Rafales by Greece was taken when Turkey sent their research vessel to map out possible oil and gas drilling prospects in waters which are claimed by both Greece and Cyprus. The NATO members Turkey and Greece have overlapping claims to continental shelves and rights to potential energy resources in the eastern Mediterranean. Coming to the delivery of these Rafale fighters for Greece, 6 of the second-hand aircraft will be delivered at a rate of 1 per month starting from July 2021, which is the current month, and the 6 new Rafale will be delivered in spring 2022. The last 6 used aircraft are expected to be delivered in early 2023 tentatively. These Rafale fighters would be coming with all sorts of powerful missiles of MBDA, which are Scalp cruise missiles, the AIM-39 Exocet anti-ship missiles, the Mica multi-mission air-to-air missiles, the Meteor beyond visual range air-to-air missiles. In addition to this, these Rafales would also get the Hammer precision-guided munition from Safran Electronics and Defense of France. As mentioned before, this video was made to provide an update on Greece's intention to equip their Rafale fighters with BrahMos supersonic cruise missiles. These BrahMos are said to have 290 km range and a speed of Mach 3.5. This variant of BrahMos is also known as BrahMos NG or BrahMos Next Generation. These BrahMos missiles weigh around 1.5 tons and they are 5 meters in length and 50 centimeters in diameter, which makes these BrahMos NG 50% lighter and 3 meters shorter than its earlier variants. Not only that, the BrahMos NG will have lesser radar cross-section, making it very difficult for air defense systems to detect it. As per the defense sources, the BrahMos missile is likely to be ready by 2022 tentatively, and even India is planning to equip the Rafale fighters with these BrahMos NG missiles, just like Sukhoi Su-30 MKI. Looks like Greece is taking all possible things and steps to boost their combat strength to face the threat by Turkey, just like India doing the same to face China and Pakistan. So that was a quick update on Greece Rafale deal and their plan to equip their Rafales with India's BrahMos NG cruise missiles. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.